Today, Auntie Maud will take her friends to make grapes. Today, we will make grapes like this. It's special because we didn't add any yeast. Today, Auntie Moo will marinate it with yeast. It's natural. We'll go and see how natural fermentation works. What? But first, we'll tell you the animal we'll be using today, Auntie Moo. Use grapes. Which number 1? Friends, you can use all kinds of grapes, but grapes. Kyoho grapes. Which grapes? Or US black grapes. They have a very fragrant aroma. Well, the color will be very dark. Here, we wash and clean the grapes. Clean like this. We will roast the grapes and remove the stems, leaving only the grapes. This is it, the grapes. The flesh is firm. The flesh is firm, crispy, and delicious. Yes, we're all done cutting. Today, Auntie Moo will use a grape press like this. Okay, Auntie Moo will go into detail first. Then come back and take a look. Okay, now. Auntie Moo has crushed the grapes until they are fine. We'll go and see the next step. In the next step, we will use 1 liter of water and pour it into the pot. So I turned on the stove. Now the water is starting to boil. It's hot now. We'll pour in the sugar. Today we're using sugar. Pour in 1 can of white sand, my friends. Go ahead, we'll boil it for just 5 minutes, friends. The sugar will dissolve. It's about 5 minutes, and then we'll turn off the stove. Now, Auntie Moo, now, turn off the stove and pour in the sugar. It's all melted. Look, friends, you see my. This is the next step. Auntie Moo will add some sip to Sunny Boy's car. We will use 1 bottle. Today we added a strong secret sauce. It has thickened. In the next step, we will add the remaining water. Today we will add 4 liters. Friends, use only drinking water. Anyone who uses water from a water tank like that can use it to drink. But if anyone, use fish sauce, friends, to boil first. Auntie Moo, use drinking water, pour it in. Once we pour in the remaining water, friends, mix it well. Today's recipe, ours. Auntie Moo already told me that we will marinate the buffalo with natural yeast. Wait, let's take a look at what natural extension is. Our natural extension is pineapple peel. Auntie Moo chooses to use large-eyed pineapples. We will wash them, make it clean so that there won't be any dirt left. Auntie Moo's pineapple peels are very clean. You can see that we choose the perfect shells. Which shells are rotten? We don't want the sheet. Today we'll use 200 grams of pineapple peel. We'll put it in. Go into the fermentation tank. We use fresh shells like this. Put the fins in. Small ones like this. Yes, it will go into the tank easily. We're using 200 grams, friends. We'll pour the grape juice into the fermentation tank. Look, friends, the witch has given the grapes a beautiful color. And then we add Suni's super grape reducing salep, which is like this. The colors are so beautiful. Don't forget to write some stickers on them. What do you mean by fermented grapes? Auntie Moo wrote that it's fermented grapes. It's natural, fermented on the 28th day of the 7th month. Auntie Moo will close the lid like this. Tighten your hands. Let it move like this. Here, the lid can still move. Wait, we will marinate at room temperature for 2 weeks. Auntie Moo will come and update you when it is fully marinated. It's been 2 weeks. How much will our grapes taste like? Friends, wait and see. Today, Auntie Moo will be updating us on grape juice. We ferment it with natural yeast. This is the recipe. Auntie Moo doesn't use any synthetic yeast, whether it's bread yeast or baking yeast. We use pineapple peels to ferment it. Pineapple peels in the pineapple's eyes will also. There is natural fermentation. Auntie, the pork was marinated on the 28th of the 7th month. Today is the date. 10 months, 8 months, the total time for chewing is 14 days. We will filter our waste. We were all knocked out. We could pass through the sieve. Yes, this is Auntie Moo. The waste has been removed completely. We don't use this kind of shell or scraps, my friends. Just throw it away. Don't be sad. The grapes don't have yeast. Friends, the taste is great. Let me tell you, it's very delicious. It's less oily than yeast. Yes, but it also has an effect. It can be dizzy as well. We don't need to heat it up for long. Just heat it up until it's warm. Okay, turn on the stove. Use low heat, friends. Today we will only be outside at 40 degrees. Auntie Moo will not add sugar. What the hell is this? Our wine today has a delicious taste. It's great, friends. After 14 days, the pork has no bitterness. Nothing bitter at all, just delicious flavor. Now, Auntie Moo can knock yeet out. 40 degrees is exactly right. We'll turn off the stove, Auntie Moo. We use natural stretch marks. If we use higher heat, the alcohol will. It will all evaporate. We're knocked down to 40 degrees Celsius. It's a plural. Now we have to rest. Let our wine come to room temperature first before pouring it into the fermentation tank. Auntie Moo, please. I'll come update after it's at room temperature. Now, Auntie Moo is resting. Wait until the grapes are at room temperature. Then we can pour them into the fermentation tank. Wait, we'll pour it into the bucket first. We'll pour it quickly. It's all ready in the fermentation tank, friends. Today, Auntie Moo will teach you how to use chemicals. It's still in good condition. We want to get a color that is not too dark or too dark. Incubate at room temperature. Actually, you don't have to add any structural chemicals, friends. But in the period, the long ones we keep, if we want to get bright colors like this, we. Will you add a curing agent called potassium fired or its abbreviation? It's KMS, but what is known in the food industry is that most people know it. In the form of a fine powder, the substance will be in the form of a fine powder. It will be added at this stage after we leave it outside at 45 degrees Celsius. Or if it's 40 degrees, then wait for it to cool to room temperature and then we'll put it in. We will put them in a fermentation tank for our friends because we will be fermenting them for about 7 days. Today, our grapes are 6 liters. Today, Auntie Moo will use chemicals. This KMS is 2 spoons, friends. The spoon will look like this. Put it in the bucket, friends. It's very easy. Auntie Moo, just scoop it like this into the bucket. Just put in 2 spoons. Once we're done putting it in, we don't do anything else. Friends, close the lid tightly like Auntie Moo's usual curing method. We cured. At normal room temperature, no need to do anything else. It will be ready in 7 days, Auntie Moo. I'll come and update the taste of the grapes that are naturally fermented. Friends, look at how it will be. How delicious is it? Friends, please wait and see. Today, Auntie Moo will update you on the fermented grapes. This one is natural. We use pineapple peels for fermentation. We don't use yeast. It's not synthetic at all, my friends. I saw it. Aunt Moo has already cured the KMs. But the bottle, it's still tight. It's a curvature substance. It helps make our wood color. It's darker than what we do. Aunt Moo taught me to use KMs in very small amounts, friends. No, not even 1 gram. Today, Auntie Moo will teach you how to collect wormwood. Put it in a bottle. After we have been fermenting it for 10 days, friends, look. The oil is not clear because it's exciting, my friends. Come back and work again, even though it's exciting. From nature that is knocked out, friends, it can wake up and come back to work because our wine will have some sweetness left over, so we need to use potassium. So, it helps to inhibit the growth of the penis. We use it in the right amount. It's a little bit like the bottle we keep. This bottle is about 400 milliliters. 400 to 500 ml. Friends, you can put 1 spoon in. Use 1 spoon and put it directly in the bottle. Now I see it's in the bottle. It's easy to use. The container is light because the basket will be at the bottom of the bucket. Lift it gently and pour it in. In the bottle, the color looks beautiful. My color is like this. It will be red because we use grapes, my friends. Use grapes like which grapes, Kyoho grapes and crimson grapes. Their colors will be purple-red, but each variety produces a different color. Auntie Moo says that growing grapes is charming. A lot because we use different grape varieties to make it, so we can smell it. Different flavors come out when we pour them into bottles like this. Then, friends, close the lid tightly. Yes, we use the soap. Put it in for about 24 hours and it will start working. Guys, if you're not in a rush, you can leave it at room temperature like this. This method is to store wine for a long time. Friends, don't have to worry that it will happen. The reaction is more severe than this. No, it will decrease. My friends asked if it disappeared. No, it's a small amount. We put in a very small amount of potassium sorbate, my friend. 0.01 grams is very little. We don't want any residue left over during the day. Ours is too much. Aunt Moo taught us to add this substance. Add a little bit to increase it. This is just the quality of our whey. We don't put in so much that there are residues in the whey. These, once they've finished working and died, these chemicals will evaporate on their own. No, don't worry. If you guys want some, just pour it into a bottle. No, you don't have to add test in it. It will work. That's it, this bottle, friends. Look at the water. This one, the pump pours it out. From the same bucket, pour it out because we already put KMH in it, Auntie. Pork, add potassium sorbate, 24 hours. Friends, look at the water. Add a little bit, try it. Let's try it, friends. The color is beautiful and looks very delicious. I see it, the color is beautiful and smells good. Let's try it. I'll try it and taste it. Friends, look at us. We have a yaoi that is comparable to expensive yaoi. Okay, Auntie Moo will try it. Oh, it's delicious. My friends, it's really delicious. This is it. It has the aroma of grapes. It's a witch's grape. Aunt Moo uses it and it has the sweet and sour taste of pineapple peel. My friends, it's so perfect and so delicious. Anyone who has watched Auntie Moo's video clip has felt delighted in. If it's useful for you, please click like to encourage Auntie Moo. Please press share as much as possible so that other members will know how to do it. Making drinks properly, Auntie Moo greets all her fans. Everyone, whether you are abroad or in Thailand, please take care of your health. Auntie Moo is worried. This clip will end here until it's finished. See you again. Hello.